I am going to demonstrate how to divide a fraction by a whole number using a method where we find a common denominator. And in this case, the 4, we are going to have to give a denominator, and that becomes 4 over 1. Any whole number can be given a denominator over 1. The common denominator of 2 and 1 is 2. So both fractions will have a denominator of 2. The first fraction stays as a half. The second fraction, we multiply both numbers by 2 and we get 8 over 2. Now, all I've got to do is divide the top numbers together to get the numerator and the bottom numbers to get the denominator. In this method, the bottom numbers always divide to give 1. So you're going to get 1 over 8 divided by 1, which is just 1/8. And that is your final answer. I will now demonstrate exactly the same calculation, this time 4/5 divided by 6. Watch me turn the 6 into a fraction and then find a common denominator. I won't give you any commentary, just watch what I do. Two over 15 is my final answer. I'm now going to show you a half divided by a third. Again, my common denominator is going to be 6, and exactly the same thing happens to drop the answer out at the end. And change my final answer into a mixed fraction because the denominator is bigger than the numerator. Finally, I'm going to show you how a mixed fraction is handled. 2½ is going to be turned into an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, add 1 gives me 5 over 2. I'm dividing by a third. My common denominator is 6. The final answer comes out exactly as all the others do, and that is the end of my demonstration of a few simple division fractions done by the method of common denominators.